Hey friends, welcome back again to Boxer and Boxer Jabby. I have ordered Suckey, one male and two female 3.5mm jack. So I ordered it from Amazon. So I will share the link with you. So let's see how it is. So Suckey, one male, two female 3.5mm jack. So this is actually a splitter. Let's see how it is. It cost around $199. Check this out. So this is your this thing. Well, you might be thinking what is the use of this, so I'll just show you the use of this. So it basically splits the audio output for R134 jack. So for example, if you have this kind of a phone with this particular slot, that is R134 slot, so we just use this to split the audio output. Alright, so basically this is earphone outlet and we are going to split it. Alright, so you can connect two earphones to this, so one over here and the another over here. Right, okay, so you can use both the earphones, one earphone, one headphone. So this is useful for splitting the audio output. Alright, if you want to use two earphones or two headphones in one R134 jack female or outlet, you can use this to split the audio output. Okay, pretty good thing to use, I guess. Hope this helps. This is Suckey, one male, two female, which you find it in Amazon, which I bought it. So I'm going to use it for splitting the audio. Hope this helps, guys. Goodbye, see you then.